This is a quick bike review of Trinx M1100 Elite version. This Trinx M1100 comes into 3 different colors: Ironman Red, White, and Gold, Matte Black Blue, and Matte Black White. Ang masasabi ko, maganda ang pagkaka-finishing nito as glossy, and one good thing about this also is naka-internal cabling na rin siya. This paint job is really good. It also comes with its own Trinx sports saddle. At pagdating naman sa cockpit, what the M1100 boasts is ito ay equipped na ng Shimano Deore shifters both left and right, matched also with MT200 Shimano hydraulic brake set. Mayroon na rin siyang decent suspension fork na may manual lockout as if para kang naka-Suntour XCR na with 100mm travel and 32mm stanchion. Naka-quick release na rin siya. And once worn out na ang crank, better upgrade to Shimano M210 Hollowtech for a lighter crank dahil medyo may kabigatan ang pro wheels if you. As promised, you'll be getting Shimano Deore components in most of the parts like front and rear derailleur, together with its 10-speed silver cogs. Ang M1100 ay naka-Kenda tires na, and this Elite version comes with 27.5 by 2.10, so you can expect better traction sa daan, lalo sa mga uneven roads. So what are your thoughts tungkol sa M1100 Elite version na ito ng Trinx? Let us know by leaving your comment down below at kung ano ang masasabi ninyo. Stay tuned for more videos like this.